All right, well, finding a good roofing contractor is easier said than done. There are lots of things that you're going to want to think about as far as costs, experience, warranty, and much, much more. Our typical SBS roof gives you a really nice 25-year roof typically, and these roofs would normally come with a 10-year warranty. As a customer, you should be looking for a roofing company that has been in business long enough to support their warranty program, or have it in writing that the manufacturer of the material carries that warranty. You should also be looking to see if the roofing company is helping you balance both performance and budget. We all want to drive a Bentley, but maybe we can only afford a Honda. A good roofing contractor will walk you through all the pros and cons and guide you to the right decision. This video, you're seeing our crews out there installing an SBS or a torch-on roof system to a low sloped roof area. This could have been done with like a standard shingle, but the client in the past had so many numerous moisture issues, they wanted to spend a little bit more, and they installed a 2-ply SBS, which is going to be a bulletproof roof.